Hey everybody, happy Monday. Halfway through September. Today is the 16th, obviously, and everybody's kind of wrapping up middle of the month stuff and pushing for that end of the month, push in our business and stuff like that. Just trying to get stuff wrapped up. But this is video of renovation personal home number 7. And not a whole lot to update today. It's early. I know I'm shooting this early, but got a busy day. But just wanted to update everybody. We did sign our final restoration loan, final docs as far as Loan Depot. This includes our final bid, homeowner contractor agreement, and specialty repair documents. So that will be going into underwriting for final approval. We are pushing for a closing date of the 20th, and we should meet that date and then be able to get started in the process of restoring the house. So today we will be looking over some more samples and stuff this evening and kind of picking some stuff out. We didn't do a whole lot this weekend as far as picking things out. We kind of took a recharge weekend, getting prepared for when they start tearing the house apart and renovating all the rooms and moving stuff and so on and so forth. But as always, I will update. We will be in video number 8 on Friday. So I will give everybody an update then, and we'll kind of go from there. Have a great week. Push for that, end of the month with all your numbers. As always, if you need anything, Shay Hensley, 513-594-9218. Thank you.